Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer, and on the display it's giving you this error Ex51, and you're trying to figure out what's going on here and what do you need to do to fix it. Now you might get this when you try to start a cycle, the cycle doesn't start, or you might even see a little tick in the drum and then it goes up, because basically what this is that this is a drive motor failure. Now with all of these errors, it could be the drive motor, it could be the wiring to the control board, or it could be some kind of failure on the actual control board that's causing this. So what you're going to want to do in this order is, one, check the wiring between the motor and the control board. Check for anything loose, disconnected, frayed, crossed, anything like that, and replace and repair as necessary. If everything looks good, the next thing would be to just replace the drive motor. And if fixing the drive motor doesn't fix it, then the next thing to do would be to replace the electronic control board. And if you decide to go the electronic control board route, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a tutorial on how to replace the control board.